William, did you have a nice day today? What did you do today? Did you eat your hand today? Let's see if your hand will fit in your mouth. Yes, that hand. See if it fits in your mouth. Almost there. Did it fit? You gonna try again? You can do it. Put your hand in your mouth. Warm up your lips. Get that hand in there. Let's go get it in. Nice job. Almost there. Yep. Good job.
Look how cute you are. Say hi, Daddy. I'm cute. Say hi. I'm cute. I'm the cutie. Are you recording or are you? Oh. Okay, that looks like the spit up face. He's so confused by the camera. Come on. Show how. Hey, William. Should we interview you? William. Oh boy.
Action.
Okay. Can I tickle you? Can I tickle you? Are you ticklish? Yeah? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish here? What on your feet? Are you ticklish on your feet? See what I'm doing? Can I tickle you again? Daddy wants to